Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and tiny living dreamers. Today, we are taking a fascinating dive into the world of ultra-compact travel trailers, a segment that has absolutely exploded in popularity over the last few years, as more and more people seek affordable, lightweight ways to hit the open road. We are always asking ourselves, just how tiny can a travel trailer actually go, while still retaining full, uncompromised functionality? Nobody wants to spend their hard-earned vacation time feeling like a sardine crammed into a tin can just to save a few bucks on gas. We want comfort, we want amenities, and ideally, we want a setup that does not require us to go out and purchase a massive, heavy-duty pickup truck just to tow it out of the driveway. Well, the answer to that ongoing tiny living dilemma might just have arrived from across the globe, and it takes the shape of an incredibly charming retro-styled microcamper that measures a mere 11 feet from tip to tail. Allow me to introduce you to the Tosbiq TK 2.40, a teeny-tiny space wonder that is currently putting much larger towables to absolute shame. While the name Tosbiq might not carry massive international recognition just yet, especially outside of the European market, this Turkish RV specialist is rapidly making a name for itself by mastering the delicate art of micro-packaging. The entire ethos behind the Tosbiq Caravan lineup is to bundle the absolute maximum amount of comfort into the absolute smallest possible footprint, all without sacrificing build quality or visual appeal. And visually, this little rig is an absolute showstopper. While you can certainly order a standard unit in modern subdued colors like gray over metal or fiberglass sidewalls, the true magic happens when you embrace the vintage aesthetic. Picture this rolling down the highway in a vibrant custom retro scarlet red or a bright sunshine yellow, complete with perfectly color-matched retro wheel hubs. It is the kind of travel trailer that will instantly start conversations at every single gas station and campground you pull into. But do not let those adorable, diminutive proportions and that vintage flair fool you, because underneath that stylish shell lies a seriously capable piece of engineering. All Tosbiq TK 2.40 trailers are constructed on a robust single-axle AL-CO braked chassis.
This is a name synonymous with premium towing dynamics, ensuring that this tiny box on wheels remains stable, safe, and fully approved for highway speeds up to 62 miles per hour. It comes equipped with heavy-duty corner stabilizer supports and a manual front jack, making setting up camp an absolute breeze that will take you mere minutes. When we look at the raw dimensions, the footprint is almost unbelievable. The total overall length, including the tongue, is just 11 feet, or roughly 3.38 meters. The width sits at a very manageable 6.5 feet. But the most staggering statistic is the interior length, which is a mere 8 feet, or 2.4 meters. You might be thinking that an 8-foot interior sounds like a recipe for claustrophobia, but stepping through the entry door completely shatters that illusion. Against all odds, the engineers at Tosbiq have managed to incorporate full standing height inside the cabin. This is a crucial, game-changing feature that elevates the TK 2.40 from a simple hard-sided tent into a legitimate, comfortable living space. The interior layout is brilliantly optimized for a couple or a solo traveler, prioritizing the essentials while clever packaging hides away the rest. Unlike larger family trailers that try to cram in multiple sleeping zones and drop-down bunks, this is strictly a dedicated two-berth caravan, which allows the interior to breathe and function seamlessly. At the front of the trailer, you will find a surprisingly well-appointed galley kitchen. While you will not be hosting lavish dinner parties, it gives you absolutely everything you need to prepare real meals on the road. The galley features a deeply recessed stainless steel sink, a compact but highly efficient refrigerator for your perishables, and a generous handful of storage cabinets to keep your dry goods and utensils securely stowed away during transit. Cooking duties are cleverly handled by a portable cooktop, with dealers often providing either a gas cartridge single burner or a sleek single burner induction plate. This portable setup is actually a stroke of genius, allowing you to easily take your cooking outside to a picnic table on those beautiful summer evenings, keeping heat and food odors completely out of your tiny sleeping quarters. Speaking of sleeping quarters, the rear of the cabin is dedicated to a classic booth-style dinette setup.
During the day, this area serves as your dining room, mobile office, and lounge. While some optimistic dealers might claim you can squeeze 4 people around this drop-down table, the reality is that it is a perfectly spacious and intimate setup for 2 adults to comfortably enjoy a meal or play a game of cards while waiting out a rainstorm. When night falls, the table simply drops down, the high-density cushions slide perfectly into place, and the entire rear section transforms into a surprisingly large, incredibly cozy 2-person bed. But wait, we have saved the most impressive feature for last.
In a trailer with an 8-foot interior, you would expect to be heavily relying on campground facilities or digging a hole in the woods. Remarkably, the Tosbiq TK 2.40 manages to squeeze in a fully functional wet bathroom. Having a private enclosed space to use the toilet and wash up completely changes the dynamic of micro-camping, elevating it from a rugged weekend adventure to a sustainable lifestyle choice for extended trips. To make things even more appealing, many European dealers are taking these already competitive imported units and sweetening the deal by throwing in incredible off-grid upgrades. You can easily outfit this tiny titan with aftermarket diesel heaters for cozy winter camping and high-efficiency roof-mounted solar panels to keep your lights and fridge running completely off the grid. It is proof positive that you absolutely do not need 30 feet of fiberglass and a heavy-duty truck to experience the ultimate freedom of the open road. The Tosbiq TK 2.40 proves that sometimes the biggest adventures really do come in the smallest, cutest packages. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are loving this dive into the world of microcampers, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more incredible automotive and RV content coming your way very soon.